What are packages? Packages are similar to folders or directories in your computer system. When we talk about file system, folder is a way to organize computer files. We can place together similar types of files in a particular folder. For example, you might store your digital photos in a pictures folder, your audio files in a music folder, and your documents in a documents folder. In Java, we have packages. Packages are used to group together related classes or interfaces. You can also have sub-packages. So why there is a need for package? Packages make searching or locating of the class or interface easier. All the related classes or interfaces can be grouped together. For example, IO package. IO package has all the classes or interfaces related to input-output. Or util package. Util package has all the utility classes or interfaces. Packages help to prevent naming conflicts. For example, if you are developing some application related to education system and you have a class named student related to college and student class related to school. In such a scenario, you cannot place classes with same name in the same package. So in this case, you can place student classes in different packages. By creating packages, you can create controlled access. You can make use of access modifiers to have controlled accessibility. What is an access modifier? We have separate video on this topic. Types of packages. There are two types of packages, built-in packages and user-defined packages. Let us see what are built-in and user-defined packages in detail. Built-in packages are provided by Java APIs. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Java API is a library of pre-written classes and interfaces. These classes are placed inside various packages. A programmer can include these packages in the application and use the readily available classes or interfaces. We need to include the package in our class using import keyword. Few examples of built-in packages are java.lang, java.io and java.util. So Java is a package and lang, io and util are the sub-packages inside Java package, and there are many more packages and classes. Now one important thing to remember, java.lang package is automatically imported in our class. We don't need to import java.lang package explicitly by writing import statement. Java.lang package provides classes that are fundamental to Java programming language. It consists of classes such as object class. Object class is the parent class of all Java classes. Every Java class is directly or indirectly a child of object class. So this is a very important point to remember. Object class is a parent class for all Java classes. No matter how many classes you create and how many classes you have inbuilt, the parent class of all these classes will always be the object class. Now the built-in classes comes with built-in methods, objects, etc. So one of the method belonging to object class is toString method. We have already used toString method in our previous videos. This toString method belongs to object class. We have written code for toString method in our previous classes and we never wrote import java.lang. Why? Because java.lang package is automatically included in your program. You don't have to write import statement for including classes belonging to java.lang package. Then you have wrapper classes such as boolean, integer, float, double, etc. Whatever primitive data types you have, there are wrapper classes for these data types. For example, int is a data type. You have wrapper class integer, so you can create an object of integer class. It wraps a value of primitive type int in an object type. Also, these wrapper classes provide several methods that can be used for converting the data. Java.lang package also has system class. When we invoke println method, we are actually using out object belonging to the system class. But the system class is automatically included in our program because it is placed inside java.lang package. Java.lang package also has string class. We use string data type to accept the text from the user to store the text data. String is not a primitive data type. When we store text data, we actually create object of class string, which is placed inside java.lang package. Hence, we do not need to import the package or class explicitly. So java.lang package is automatically imported in your class. We have written so many programs. We have used system class, we have used string class, we have used toString method belonging to object class, but nowhere we have written import java.lang because this package is included in our program by default. And there are many more classes in java.lang which we can use in our program. Few other examples of inbuilt packages are java.io package. This package contains classes for system input-output. We need to write import statement before using all these other packages. Java.util package. This package contains utility classes such as date, time, scanner class, etc. We have already used scanner object to accept input from the user, and we have written import statement to include this package in our program. There is one more package, java.net. This package contains classes for supporting network operation. There is a package named JavaX. Inside this JavaX package, there is a package named Swing. This package contains classes that supports graphical user interface. There is also a package named Java. Now the package names are always in small case and you have to follow the exact name given by Java. There is a package named java.sql. This package contains classes for database programming. And there are many more packages. Java APIs comes with huge collection of packages, classes, interfaces and lot of things which you can use in your program. What is user-defined package? Java has given facility to create your own package so that when you create an application, you might organize the class files in various packages. Syntax for creating user-defined package is as follows. Package is the keyword and package name can be any logical name you want to write. Now, very important point to remember, package definition statement should be the first statement in your Java program. How to use the package in your program? You need to use import keyword. So to include package in your program, the syntax is import keyword followed with a package name dot and star indicates that you are including all the classes those are placed in this package. If you want to include a specific class only, then the syntax is import keyword package name dot class name. For example, if I want to include scanner class, I'll be writing import java.util.scanner. Now, how do you execute a program in which you have written package definition? If you are using an IDE, the work is done automatically. But if you are running your program using command line interface, you have these commands to execute your program. Compile your program. javac is the command that compiles Java program. So if your Java file has a package definition statement, you will compile your program by writing this command. Javac invokes Java compiler, -d creates a directory, dot and your file name. So by providing this option -d, you're telling Java compiler that I have a package definition in my class and you need to create the defined package. So whatever class file will be generated, that will automatically go inside the defined package. And how do you run your program? With a package definition on the command prompt, Java command invokes Java interpreter. Suppose the package name is p1, package name dot class name. So this is how you execute on the command line. Let us create a user-defined package. Write a program to demonstrate user-defined package. Now the very first statement is package definition. Package keyword and my package name is p1 followed with a semicolon. This means that when you compile your program, class A will be placed inside package p1. Package is like a folder on your computer system. We have defined class A. We have defined one variable. The name of the variable is var_a and we have assigned a value to it. We have a default constructor. We have a method named method_a and we have main method in the same class. So here you create an object. You try to print the variable. Instance variables are invoked using an object. This is a method call. Non-static methods are invoked using object. So a dot method_e. So in this whole program, we are focusing on how to create user-defined. After writing this program, if you are using an IDE, the things will be done automatically. Automatically a package will be created and your class file a.class will be placed inside package p1. But if you are executing your program using command prompt, you need to write following command. So this is how a command prompt looks in Mac operating system. Go to the location where your Java source file is saved. The name of my Java source file is a.java. Javac command invokes Java compiler. -d tells the compiler that it has to create a package .a.java. So this syntax you need to follow while compiling a file having package definition. Name of my package is p1. As soon as the compiler compiles the file with 0 errors, at the location where your Java source file is stored, package p1 will be created. And inside this package p1, class file will be created, that is a.class. So this is how the package is created and your class file is placed inside the given package. Now how do you execute this file? You need to tell the interpreter that my class named A is present inside package p1. So the command is Java command. Java invokes Java interpreter, package name, that is p1.a. And when you execute your program, you get the output. So this is how a user-defined package is created. If you want to use this class in some other class placed in different package, you need to make the class public and write import statement in the other class where you want to use it. So how to do that? You need to watch video titled Access Modifiers. Now let us do this practically. I'll first show how to create a package on command line. In Eclipse we have already seen in our first program, but we will again see how to create sub packages. So open text editor, write the program, save the file with a.java, select some location on your computer system. I am saving a.java in folder package pract and this folder is inside documents folder. So now if you check the finder, go to documents folder, go to the folder package pract and here the Java source file is created, that is a.java. You can click on this, click on action, select the path, copy the path of the file, go to terminal. Yes, this is my command prompt in Mac operating system. In Windows you can open CMD and you can save your file in File Explorer. Also the text editor you can use is Notepad. Now mention cd command. That will change the directory and copy the path. This will take you to the location where your Java source file is saved. Now how do I compile my program? The syntax is javac command space -d to create the package space dot space and your source file. The source file name is a.java. Press enter key. Okay, there is one error. I have not closed the quotation mark. Save the file again. Now the file is compiled with 0 errors at the location where your source file was present and inside this package p1 a.class is saved. How do you execute the file? Java command, name of the package, that is p1 dot name of the class, and you get the output. This is how you compile and execute on command prompt. Now one thing to remember, if you want to create a sub package, that is package inside package. So in this case only package P1 is created and your class file A is stored inside this package. If I want to create one more package, for example, if you want to create a sub package A inside package P1, I'll just mention p1.a and compile the program in the similar manner. So after compiling, sub package A will be created inside package P1 and class A will be created inside sub package A. So it will look like this. Suppose this is my package P1 created, inside this sub package A is created and class A is created inside sub package A. So let us do same thing in Eclipse. Open Eclipse. If you do not want a sub package, just click on your project name, right click, new and create a package. But if you want a sub package, you can click on the parent package which we have already created in our first program, that is Core Java 1 is our parent package. Click on this and I want to create a sub package inside Core Java 1 package. So right click on this, click on new package and just specify dot and my sub package name is suppose A. Finish. You can see Core Java 1.a package is created. Everything is managed by Eclipse. Sub package A is inside Core Java 1 package. Right click on this, new class. You can see the package Core Java 1.a. Suppose class name is A. So this is your package definition automatically generated. Package keyword Core Java 1.a. That means your parent package is Core Java 1 and inside this sub package A is created. Now let us copy the code, run the program and you get the output. Everything internally is managed by Eclipse. You don't have to mention -d and all those things. So this is how we create, compile and execute packages in Java.